Good morning, friends. We are back and we are starting with a review of our number line strategy. So our I can statement for this morning is I can add numbers with regrouping using the number line strategy. We've gone over number lines before. We've also gone over how we can add our numbers together with regrouping and without. But today we're going to focus on the regrouping portion as a highlight, and our number line strategy is the other highlight. So, with that being said, Miss K is going to use the scribble method. Hang on. Okay. We're going to go here. So I'm just going to go based off of these, a few. I'll pick a few. So we'll do 48 plus 25. Whenever we have our number line, sometimes it's not always provided for us. So you can draw your very own. That's what Miss K does normally. Okay. So she's drawing her very own. And our first one said 48 plus 25 equals. And we're trying to figure that little box out. So this is our starting point. Our first number, no matter it's the bigger number or the smaller number, with addition, will be your starting point. So we will have this as our starting point, 48. Now, we are done with 48. Do we need to go back to it? No. That is our starting point. Now, this little symbol right here means that we're going to put these two numbers together. That's addition. So I know that my starting point is 48, and that the middle sign is my addition sign, and I'm going to add 25 to 48. Now, I could just add 48 to 25, but I could also break it up. So let's break 25 up. If you have 25, I can think of two numbers right now off the top of my head that will give me 25. And those two numbers would be 20 plus 5. You can give me a thumbs up if you agree. You can give me a thumbs down if you don't, or you can have a different combination of numbers. You can have 21 plus 4, anything like that. But I like the easier numbers to digest. So I have 48 plus 20 plus 5. Now let's do this one at a time. I'm going to take 48 and I'm going to bounce. I'm going to put my plus 20 right here. Then I'm going to come down here and mark it out. So 48 plus 20, 48, 58, 68. That would be plus 20. Now I have 68 plus 5. Now I could bounce each one, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, so forth, and that would look like this. Or I could just do one little one. I could do plus 5, and that would land me at 73. So 73 is our total. I like whenever we hear that math talk. I like whenever we hear addition, total, our starting point, and such like that. So now I'm going to draw another one down below, and we're going to practice some more. I'm also going to have an edgy puzzle on the next page linked so that it can help you answer some very own questions, just going through our stuff, the steps that we go through, like our starting point and how we break our two puzzles. We break our second number into two sections and so forth. So whenever we do that, as soon as I can figure out how to do this. Okay, friends, we're still focusing on our I can statement, which is I can add numbers with regrouping using the number line strategy. Let's practice another one. Let's do 47 plus 53. Let's do this. 40. Okay, so now you will notice that my smaller number is the front and my bigger number is in the back. But we can start with our bigger number. So we're going to have this as our starting point. You always have to have a starting point, whether you're doing addition or subtraction. But in addition, you want to start with the bigger number in the front or on the top. So I'm going to make 53 our starting point. We're going to get rid of 53. We are done. Now, I have 47. What two numbers can you decide that will give you 47? My two numbers are 40 plus 7. Now, I can go up here and I can bounce. So I have 53 plus 40. If I count my tens, 53, 63, 73, 83, 93. That will give me 93. 53 plus 40 is 93. So I mark out my 40. Now, I can come down here and I know that I can add 7 to 93. Now I can count my ones, or if I have my facts memorized, I know that 7 plus 3 will give me 10. So if I add 7 to 93, then that will land me at 100. So 47 plus 53 is 100. Thank you so much for joining me today, friends. I have linked an Edu puzzle at the back of this, and I will have it all ready for you to submit as your exit ticket. I look forward to hearing from you. Bye now.